Here we go. Box of Contenders for Surmy. Good luck, sir. Just pulled a letter patch from KHL Gold Collection as a giveaway. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, let's see if you can hit that. That'd be crazy. Hey, you're already on better than that. Number 800, Adam Enrique. Calder Contender autographed, 800. What about the Cal Clutterbuck? Paul Posma, $9.99. I feel like we always hit Cal. Scott Timmons for Florida. Calder Contenders, $9.99. And a base pack. So one auto in the first stack. Here's another one. Matt Reed, NHL Inc. Not terrible. Yeah, no joke, thanks. Ryan Getzlaff, Cup Contenders, $9.99. NHL Inc. of John Moore. Dustin Brown, $9.99, Cup Contenders. David Rumblad, number to 800. And a base pack. So, Surmy.